We're going to go to the largest resort in Bangladesh. So follow us in this epic rickshaw tour to the most beautiful resort in Bangladesh, where we get to shoot some amazing drone footage. Meet our driver, Karim. He's going to take us on this ride from our farmhouse here in Alipur. Hey guys, this is Faisal here again from FUN Productions, and welcome to another vlog from Bangladesh. And right now I'm going to head towards a very beautiful place which is not far away from where I live here. This is Alipur, my village, my farmhouse. Instead of going through the main road, I decided to take this rickshaw trip through the village roads and the markets so I can show you the natural beauty of Bangladesh. So I'm looking forward to show you all this, and don't forget to watch till the end. We've got some really lovely drone shots I want to show off. So this is Roizganj Bazaar. This is the local market, village market. So this rickshaw that I'm sat on, it's not your average rickshaw, it's a motorized rickshaw. It's very comfortable and it's really fast. And look at him, look at this guy. Today I have Ratul with me, my main cameraman. Hello Ratul. Hi. So Ratul's going to do the filming while I'm going to do most of the droning shots here. I'm going to go through another village now called Mudarpur. It's beautiful around here, it's all green, and I'm just going to wait for the sun to set a bit because it's too bright and overexposed. This whole journey took us about 45 minutes through these village roads. Looks like we just got stuck in a traffic jam here. It's a local market. So guys, this is Mudarpur. The local fishermen live here, and it's a very poor village, but I really like places like this. This is like the deep village. This is like proper hardcore village life, if you know what I mean. So I'm gonna try and fly my drone here because I just want these kids to see a drone. They've probably never seen a drone before, and these kids, when they see a drone, they get so excited. I just want them to, you know, feel that excitement. In Bangladesh, a lot of people haven't seen a drone flying in the sky, so this technology is kind of new to the villagers, especially these kids from poor backgrounds who have never seen a drone in their life, and you will be surprised by their reactions. It is time to head back to our mission now.
Uncle!
So going through Sinangat and then going straight into Putijuri. And we're going to go through the Palace Resort gate, and I'll show you the nearby area. The views are amazing. Everywhere I go, it's all about the village life. You won't get this in the city, you won't get this in the town. This is rural Bangladesh. Rural Bangladesh. This is Ram Bangladesh. This is Shunar Bangladesh. Right? This is beautiful Bangladesh. So make sure you come and visit Bangladesh once in a lifetime. We just entered Putijuri now, and this Putijuri is located in BAHUBAL Thana. So this is Putijuri Bazaar. The local market, and that's the main Sylhet highway road. We're going to go straight up. So we've just arrived at the Palace Resort behind me. This is not the resort, this is just a signboard, and the resort goes straight down. It's about 1 kilometer away that way, and this is the largest resort in the whole of Bangladesh. We're not going to go in because we don't have enough time here, and the sun's going to set soon, and we need to go to the tea gardens, and we're going to head that way another 2 kilometers into the Brindaban tea garden, and we're just going to go on top of the hill just to get some views and just chill out. So that's the beginning of all the tea gardens. See them beautiful hills, the green tea plants, and this is where it all starts. It goes several kilometers away ahead of us, and the Palace Resort just lies bang in the middle, and you see in the drone footage what I mean. On the left you can see these are gum trees or rubber trees, and they produce rubber from these trees, and basically the juice is extracted from the bark, and that's then processed in a mill to make rubber or plastic. So this is the gate for the Palace Resort, and you can see how big it is. We're not going to go in there, so like I said, it's massive. To be able to go into this resort, you spend a lot of money, and the rooms start from 10,000 taka. That's about £100. That's £100, and the most expensive villa is £1,000 or £1,20,000 taka for the villa. That's called the presidential villa. So that's the hill where we're going to go now. Just going to climb up this hill and then going to go straight up. You see the view behind me? Wow, this is beautiful. Look at this, just look at this. Throttle behind me. Looking for some flat surface. Sorry guys, I'm out of breath. Not been to the gym for a while, you see. So finally arrived on the top, and we've got a flat surface here, and you can see some amazing views behind me. This is lovely. Right over there is the palace, about 500 meters away, 600 meters away. If you live in near Habiganj or in Sylhet, you must come and visit a tea garden. Without visiting a tea garden, you haven't really been anywhere, have you? So make sure you come and take a quick trip to a tea garden, take some really nice pictures. It's beautiful, it's very picturesque, and you won't be disappointed. These are tea plants, and these big trees are to provide shade and shadow, so the sun doesn't burn the tea plants out. These are the leaves that they use to make tea that we drink. Oh, look at that sunset. Ain't it beautiful? What do you think of this view behind me? Let me know. Drop a comment below and enjoy the views. I've got my drone up in the air, you can see. There's my drone there. And I'm just trying to get some lovely shots. And this is it. This is Brindaban Tea Garden. This is the end of this video. Hope you guys liked watching this video. Let me know what you think of it. Drop a comment below, and hope to bring you more videos like this in the future. So do subscribe and stay tuned. Till then, see you guys.